on the snow melts, it snows again. Hopefully it just stays at some point. What's up? It's Wednesday. We're at Goodwill here. Got a party this weekend. 80s. I already got like a suit coat or a sports coat. Help my boy Evan out. What do you think of this? By the time you see this, it's gonna be too late. But we're having trouble distinguishing what is truly 80s and what's not, because it's kind of coming back, and it's like we see some of this every day. But we're figuring it out.
We can cut this one up and turn it into ruffles and glue it on her shirt. That's my only idea.
What's up, Jackie Kennedy?
What up?
My boy Jackie Tan. Oh.
No. What's up? It's Friday, done for class, super nice out. Gotta try to find something to do outside. Go Cats, go.
Oh, that looks good. Swoot,
What's up? It's Saturday. Check this out. Again, it snowed again. I don't know why. I mean, yesterday it was like 60. It was 66 degrees yesterday. You know, it's snowing. Also, I got a bunch of pomade in my hair. Because we had like 80s party last night for Kelly's birthday. So, yeah. I was trying to feather my hair. It looks more feathered now than it did last night, but oh well. The snow is great and all, but I gotta change the headlight in the red, and I didn't do that yesterday. I was gonna do it yesterday, but I didn't, and now it's snowy and cold. I mean, I guess it's just like 3 screws, so that's fine, but like, come on, really?
Okay, snow update here. I got like 4 to 6 inches. Figuring out as I'm brushing off floor red here. It's pretty heavy stuff, unfortunately, because that makes it harder to move. Otherwise, I wouldn't care. But I'm gonna go skiing tomorrow. Yeah. It's Sunday, just like I said, going skiing. Pretty stoked about it. I think I need to lower my expectations a little bit, because yeah, it snowed a lot, but I mean, I don't know what the base is like, so. And I don't even know how much snow here. I know it snowed a lot in town, so we'll see what happens, but should be a good time. What's up? It's Tuesday. Yesterday, Evan and I had to walk back to my car in a freaking blizzard, and now it is sunny and frigid. Bluebird day. That would explain the frigidness. But yeah, it was like -2 this morning, and it just got to maybe 5 degrees, and it is 11. High of 15 or something like that. It's freaking cold. And I'm not ready for this in October. I didn't know it was going to be a cold winter. I thought it was going to, I just assumed it was going to be average. Anyways, that's what's up.